BSL Live has been an incredible festival for bringing the kids together, getting new students to meet existing students, getting new students to meet staff and meet the new staff of the school, and I couldn't recommend it any higher.
I'm a new teacher to BSL this year, so it's been a wonderful opportunity to get to know the students, to get to know the staff and really connect with kids in a way that normally happens at the end of term, and we've been able to do it early.
Our SEND students have built character, connection, and that's going to set them up for absolute success.
So it's my first day at the school and I just felt really welcomed by everyone, and I made a lot of really good friends and I'm excited to start the year with.
I think we applied adventure and leadership together, considering we were in different groups with different ages, and since we're the highest year, we were like leaders for the younger ones.
All the values we've been learning here are not values, they're life lessons, so we can apply not only for the rest of our years in school, but also for the rest of our life.
I think most other people, they just start in a classroom, it's a bad start. Learning new people, getting to really connect with people is a great start for the year. So you come, you don't really feel new, you feel like you've been here for a long while.
Well, I feel more relaxed. I don't really need to get to know everyone when we're already like in class. Like it's already chill.
After the last 3 days, I feel more welcome to this school because we didn't start off with actual school. This was a nice get together, knowing each other, which was really comforting.
I feel like these guys are my friends from since I was a baby, you know, already for like 3 days.
Bora BSL, bravery, optimistic, respect and adventure. These are the values the students have been embodying all over the last 3 days here in Belém and also in Ericeira. It's been a phenomenal experience uniting the school together for a year ahead. You've been amazing, the British School of Lisbon, and I can't wait to see you all next year.